Imagine a world where one nation's fall could trigger a cascade of others. This was the essence of the domino theory, a belief that shaped U.S. foreign policy during the Cold War. The Vietnam War and U.S. involvement. Background and causes. After French colonial withdrawal in 1954, Vietnam was divided into the Communist North, led by Ho Chi Minh, and the capitalist South, supported by the United States. U.S. policymakers feared that a communist victory would trigger regional instability. Domino theory. The U.S. believed that the fall of South Vietnam to communism would lead to the spread of communist governments in neighboring countries such as Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, and beyond. This theory justified escalating American military and financial support. U.S. military strategy. America deployed troops, provided advanced weaponry, and engaged in extensive bombing campaigns. Despite superior technology, the U.S. faced guerrilla warfare tactics by the Viet Cong and North Vietnamese Army, making victory difficult. Political and social impact. The war was highly controversial in the U.S., sparking protests and debates about military intervention, ethics, and national interest. Internationally, it exposed the limits of U.S. power in containing communism. Outcome and legacy. North Vietnam ultimately prevailed in 1975, unifying the country under communist rule. The war's outcome challenged the validity of the domino theory and reshaped American foreign policy, including more cautious intervention strategies in future conflicts. In conclusion, the Vietnam War illustrates how the Cold War's ideological struggle influenced U.S. foreign policy and military engagement. While intended to prevent the spread of communism, the conflict revealed the complexities of intervention and the limitations of the domino theory in practice. Thank you for joining us.